Does your home have hard water? If not, you're in the minority because 85% of this country has hard water. Now, what exactly is hard water? It simply means there's elevated levels of minerals in the water. It doesn't affect the water quality or the taste or the color, but minerals do cause other problems. First, when you're bathing and showering, you might have dry skin and dry hair. Soap doesn't lather up, laundry detergent doesn't lather up. Plus, a buildup of minerals can clog aerators and sink faucets and shower heads and plumbing fixtures. So you do want to reduce the levels of minerals if at all possible. So I'm going to show you a really rudimentary test you can do right in your kitchen to determine if you have hard water. And all you need is a half a cup of water and pour it into an empty water bottle. This is a 16-ounce water bottle. Then add about 10 drops of liquid dish soap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, got a lot of bubbles.
Tiny bubble. 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there we go. And now you're going to put the top on and shake it for a good 20 or 30 seconds. And what you're going to find is if there's very little lather, right? You have mostly water and very little lather, a thin layer of like gray lather on the very little foam on top, then the water is hard. If, however, you shake it and you get a lot of foam, a lot of lather, then the water is not hard, it's considered soft. So let's shake this and see. Well, we don't have to continue shaking this for 20 or 30 seconds, right? You can see almost immediately all that foam, all that lather, very little water in fact. So this water is soft. Now, if you run this test and you find out your water is hard, then I would recommend taking a sample of the water to a lab, have them test it, and if it is indeed high levels of minerals, then consider installing a water softener. If you enjoyed this video, please support us by liking and subscribing. Hey, thanks for watching.